This is your weekly Market Mosey. I'm Sean Murphy, and this is where we walk through the past 7 days of real estate activity in our neighborhood. And this week, we have 7 active homes today, which is still not a lot, but a lot better than last week that when we had 4. 1 lot still for sale, 2 homes sold this past 7 days, and 4 of those homes are that new hotness. So let's get on into it. Starting with 2779 South Patton Court. This is a Hutchinson. This home's currently being rented out. It's 4 bedrooms, it's 2 baths, and it is 2,290 square feet. I'm going to highlight this right here, workshop. So it has a workshop, sunroom. It has a sunroom. I don't have them in the photos for this, and so just so you know, they are there. But it's being rented out currently. The tenant is in a month-to-month, and nice fireplace there. And if you're looking for an investment property, I don't know if the tenant is planning on staying there, but sometimes they are, and you immediately walk in with a renter. So it looks like it's been well maintained. It's sitting on a large lot. It's got a finished basement. Take you downstairs real quick. Big open basement. It's got big lot. Like I said, it's sitting on a 9,900 square foot lot, and being brought to you by H&H Family Real Estate. They are asking $379,000. This is the one that I want to talk to you about: augmented photos or just edited photos, right? So what do you guys think? I know like 90% of consumers are starting their search online. I will reiterate that and keep emphasizing that. So it matters to look good online. And so this photo has been edited. These windows aren't that bright. These clouds aren't that whimsical. This is taken during the day, but it draws your eye to it, right? So I want to get your guys' feedback on what you thought. So let me know. Do you like it? Do you not like it? They're also coming out with like virtual staging. And so in these pictures online, it looks like it's staged. There's furniture everywhere, but it's all digital. You get to the house, there's nothing there. So yeah, let me know what you think. Nice like plum purple accent here on the eaves, garage door, and front door. Looks like it's clean, well maintained. I think that's kind of the theme of this week. Clean, well maintained. This one is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, if I didn't mention that already. Kitchen looks like it's been updated. Looks good. This is the Carry 403 model, by the way. And it has, out back, it has a shallow backyard, so it's not deep, but you're right next to the park over here. And so you got RV parking on the side, plenty of storage. The solar on top is leased and transferable. There's your backyard. But yeah, it looks good. It's sitting on a 7,650 square foot lot, being brought to you by 8Z Real Estate, and they are asking $439,900. You see they're having an open house, and you could always check in on the open houses on my website, SeanMurphyRealEstate.com. And let's move on to the next one. But before we get into this next one, let me talk to you, because if you're thinking about selling your Harvey Park home, you want to move out of Harvey Park, you want to move into Harvey Park, you want to find an investment property because you have the gift of equity, and now you want to leverage it and put it towards another house. Yeah, let me know. I'm your boy. I'm here to help you out, give you all the information that you need to make the best decision. So buying, selling, I work Harvey Park, obviously. I live and work in here, but I also work Denver metro area, up to like the foothills and in Evergreen. I like going up in Evergreen too. So reach out to me, send me a text, give me a call, shoot me an email, send a scroll by fence. I'm here to help you out. And if you also notice, some of these homes, they, not this week so much, but there's a lot of like recently flipped homes where an investor bought it and just basically just redid a lot of the interior. So if your house is in a condition that maybe you don't want to do all the home prep to put it on the market, you don't want to deal with showings, appraisals, all that stuff. You just want to kind of cash out and be done with it, not have to fix anything. There are investors out there that are looking for your house, and I have contact with them. So let me know, reach out to me, and we can see if it's a good fit. What I always do is I'll present to you what their offer would be. So an investor, typically you'll close in 7 to 10 days, have that cash, and then what it would look like to put your home on the market. You're going to pay like real estate agent fees and things like that. So just give you your options. There's a lot of ways to sell homes nowadays. So I'll give you, again, the information you need to make the best decision for your situation. Moving on to South Stewart Street, 3146 South Stewart Street. This is the 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,266 square foot, Carry 405 model. It's got the detached garage out back. Flooring looks good. I don't know what these. Somebody help me out. What's this called? It's not like an entry. It's like a threshold. But I like the way that they curve these. Just made a nice little accent to it. Kitchen's been updated. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Looks good. Downstairs, big bedroom. They also have an entertainment area on. Is that purple? I think they have a purple toilet. I like it. I like funky stuff like that. Cool. All right. So built-ins right there. You have a bar on the other side. Nice bar. Looks well done. TV. Who do you think their favorite team is? Go Broncos. And it is sitting on a 7,200 square foot lot, 7,200 even. And out back, a small covered patio. It looks nice. And again, you have the 2-car garage out back there. It's brought to you by Wisdom Real Estate, and they are asking $469,900. And our last home of the week, this is the Hutchinson remodel. It's not, I mean, I don't know if it's been remodeled recently, but somebody remodeled it at some point. So you'll see here, this is the Hutchinson with the 2-car garage originally. And so this used to be the other side. They enclosed this. This used to be the wall in the living room. I mean, it still is. The fireplace is there. But you'll see how they open this up inside. I like it. So you'll see a lot of Hutchinson homes when they're remodeled too. They're starting to all add this. A nice hole in the wall by the staircase to give some light to that to the stairs. Fireplace still there. This is the old garage space. Nice bay window. So this is the back of the fireplace. And they also lifted the ceiling here, so the rafters or the trellises. They opened that up, which is nice. Gives it a lot of headroom. Updated kitchen. This is the exterior wall right there of the original house. But looks good. They also opened up these 2 bedrooms. So another thing you'll see is buyers coming into our area. One thing that they say they wish that we had more of was just, more of a master bedroom. So this has more room there. 3-quarter bathroom downstairs. Nice covered patio out back. It's sitting on a 10,600 square foot lot, almost a quarter acre, being brought to you by Brokers Guild Real Estate. And they are asking $509,950. And that is the new hotness for the week. We have 2 homes that sold this past week, starting with South Wolf Street, 3286. Originally listed at $375,000, and it's closed for $387,500. And 2270 south of Rain Street. This is the house. I held this open. Nice open floor plan. Big sunroom out back, and it backed to the Harvey Park mansion. Originally listed at $470,000, and it sold for $446,000. So that is your market update for the week. If you want to see me again, I will be hosting. I hosted this today from 12 to 3, and I'll be hosting it tomorrow from 11 to 2. So completely updated, not updated. This is a new build. A small lot in Englewood, a couple blocks from Broadway, but they really utilize the space well. It's under 1,700 square feet, but it just feels really light and bright. And yeah, it's a nice house, really well set up. From the upstairs, I can see through the trees here to Red Rocks. I can see Red Rocks Amphitheater, which is cool. I mean, it's far away. But that is it. Yeah, reach out if you have any questions. Come by, see me tomorrow if you want to say what's up. And walkout song. So I want to hear, what's your walkout song? If you have a walkout song, if you don't know what a walkout song, that is the song like you're going to the gym, or like you're stepping up to the plate in baseball. You know, you're walking up to the ring, and they are playing your song to let these people know it's about to go down. What is your walkout song? You can have more than one. You can have more than one walkout song, and this is one of mine right now. It's Boogus. I Just Know. Gets me going. But that's it. Again, for the third time, reach out if you need anything. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week.